You're still watching that, right? Here's why. That is one continuous AI video. No cuts, and it's a full minute long. Everyone will tell you AI can only make 8-second clips. They're wrong. They just don't know the trick, because I made that on a free tool. One flowing shot, the world morphing the whole way through. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your own. Stick around because I'm showing you the full minute at the end, and it genuinely gave me chills. Let's get into it. Quick setup. Here's the situation. Every AI video model, the good ones, cap out at about 8 seconds per generation. That's the wall everyone hits, and it's why most AI videos are these tiny little clips. But there's a feature that blows straight through it, and almost nobody's using it properly. It's in Google Flow, it's free, and it lets you chain those 8-second clips into one continuous video. 30 seconds, a minute, even longer. I'll show you the trick, then how to actually do it, then how to keep it from falling apart. Let's start with why 8 seconds isn't the limit it looks like. So yeah, one generation gives you 8 seconds. That's real. But here's what people miss. You don't have to stop there. Google Flow has a feature called Extend, and here's what it actually does. It takes the last frame of your clip and the motion, and it generates the next 8 seconds, continuing from exactly where you left off. Think about what that means. The new segment starts on the frame the old one ended on, so there's no cut, no jump. The character's in the same spot, same outfit, same lighting, and they just keep going. And you can do it up to about 20 times. 20 times 8 seconds. That's over 2 minutes of continuous video from a tool that only does 8 seconds. The wall was never real. You just needed the door. Okay, on screen, every step. First, you generate your opening clip like normal. One good 8-second shot. Then you hover over it and hit Add to Scene and switch over to Scene Builder. In Scene Builder, you click the little icon on your clip and pick Extend. And now, this is the key part. It asks you what happens next. You write a continuation prompt, what the character does in the next 8 seconds, where the camera goes. It generates that, stitched seamlessly onto the end. Then you extend that one. And again, each time you're just describing the next beat. And watch, it plays back as one smooth, continuous video. That's it. That's the whole mechanic. Generate, add to scene, extend, describe what's next, repeat. But there's a catch that ruins most people's long videos. So let me fix that for you. Quick pause, subscribe if you want the free way to do all this stuff. That's the channel. And I made a free PDF with the exact extend workflow and the continuation prompts I used for the big video. Copy paste, no email wall, first link in the description. Grab it, then come back. Because this next part is what separates a smooth, minute-long video from a glitchy mess. Here's the problem nobody warns you about. The more you extend, the more it can slowly drift. The face shifts a little, the colors change, the style wanders, and by segment 6, it doesn't look like the same video anymore. Watch this bad one, see how it slides? 2 fixes. 1. Keep your continuation prompts consistent. Repeat the important stuff every single time. The same character description, the same lighting, the same style words. Don't assume it remembers, remind it. 2. Describe the change as a smooth motion, not a jump. Instead of, now he's in a jungle, write, he keeps walking as the city slowly dissolves into a lush jungle around him. That word slowly, that continuous motion is what makes the transformation feel magical instead of glitchy. Consistency in the words, smoothness in the transitions. Nail those and your long video looks intentional. All right, you know the trick, you know the workflow, you know how to keep it clean. So let me show you how far you can actually push this, and then the full video I promised, which I think is going to surprise you. So how far can you take it? On Flow, you can keep extending up to around 2.5 minutes of continuous video. 2.5 minutes as one shot from a free tool. That's not a clip anymore, that's a scene, a music video, a whole story. Now, honesty time, because there's a catch. Every 8-second extend costs credits. So a 1-minute video is 7 or 8 generations, and that eats a good chunk of your free daily credits. So do it across a couple of days or spread it out. And if you want alternatives, there are free video extender tools popping up. Magic Hour, Sensia, a few others that continue a clip for you, though they're more limited. But Flow's the cleanest free way right now. One shot, 1 minute, never cuts once. Made free on my laptop by extending one little clip over and over. A year ago, that was flat out impossible. And when you make something like that, you're going to want it everywhere. That's what I use Repurpose.io for. You post once and it fires your video out to TikTok, Reels, Shorts, and Facebook automatically, captions and all. And it strips the TikTok watermark so Shorts doesn't bury you. It just handles the boring posting part. Affiliate links in the description, it really helps me out. Now let's wrap this up. So that's the trick nobody's using. Generate one clip, extend it, describe what's next, repeat, and keep your prompts consistent so it doesn't drift. That's how you make AI videos that are actually long. Grab the free PDF, OpenFlow, and make something longer than 8 seconds tonight. Even just 30 seconds, you'll feel it click. And tell me in the comments, what should my next continuous video be? A journey, a story, a transformation? Give me your best idea, I'm making it. And that video right there is where I show you the tricks to make every one of these clips actually look good. Watch that next.